Car checks you need to carry out on your car after the winter. Autodoc tips. Complete car body wash. First, you need to thoroughly wash the car body. Use car shampoo and other specialized chemicals to effectively clean the paintwork. Pay special attention to doorways and other hard-to-reach places where dirt tends to accumulate. Use a car polish after washing to hide minor scratches and give your paintwork a shiny finish. De-icing agents used to treat roads in the winter get onto the underbody and chassis of your car. This adversely affects the condition of the suspension and underbody, promoting the formation of corrosion and various oxidation deposits. That's why washing the underbody of the vehicle is the next step. If you can't do it yourself, visit a professional car wash. Checking and cleaning the heat exchangers. The vehicle's various heat exchangers, engine cooling radiator, air conditioner condenser, oil cooler, and intercooler are subject to contamination during use. Dirt, small stones, insects, lint, or leaves clog the radiator cores, reducing cooling efficiency. Road chemicals oxidize and degrade aluminium components, leading to leaks in the component. It's important to clean with care. If you use a high-pressure cleaner, keep in mind that high water pressure can damage the delicate aluminium fins. Therefore, when washing a clogged radiator core, the water jet must be directed strictly at right angles, perpendicular to the radiator. A variety of brushes and suitable chemicals can also come in handy. A special discount promo code for 3% off only for the viewers. Valid for 1 month after the video is published. Inspection of the engine compartment and wheel arches. Check the fluid levels, engine oil and coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and power steering fluid. Inspect the engine and visible parts of the drivetrain.
Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself.
Rubber components are more prone to wear in sub-zero temperatures. Leaking oil or coolant, as well as condensation, indicate a leak in one of the systems. The engine compartment should be washed if it's very dirty, or in order to locate the leak. Inspect visible components of the suspension, dust covers, and bushings. Make sure there's no condensation on the shock absorber rods. Pay particular attention to the brake system. Check the condition of the brake discs and the residual thickness of the pads. Carefully inspect the brake hoses, as temperature fluctuations and road chemicals can cause micro cracks in the rubber parts. Replace the brake hoses immediately at the first sign of cracking. Drying the interior. In the winter, the car interior is adversely affected by moisture entering from the outside. Snow, rain, water from shoes, wet clothes, etc. Increased humidity can also be caused by infrequent airing of the interior. Increased humidity causes the windows to mist up, reducing visibility and creating a musty smell. Even if you clean your car and wash the mats regularly, moisture will inevitably accumulate on the floor carpeting, seats, and other absorbent elements. After the winter season, the car interior should be dried. This procedure can be carried out outdoors if the weather's sunny or in a dry and heated garage. To do this, open all the doors and the boot, remove the mats, and ensure maximum ventilation. This process can take a long time, depending on the level of humidity in the cabin. You can shorten the drying time by turning on additional heating and ventilation. To make this procedure more effective, remove the door sill plates and raise the carpeting. Remember to change the cabin filter in time, as it collects moisture and can cause unpleasant odours. Checking the windscreen wiper system. In the winter, the wiper linkage and blades are subject to increased strain from ice and snow. Wiper linkage shafts are the first to suffer from moisture and dirt. To ensure that the components have a long service life, apply a suitable grease as a preventive measure. Check the condition of the wiper blades and replace them if they're worn out. Winter windscreen washer fluid contains substances that prevent freezing but are aggressive to the washer system components. When the weather starts to warm up, fill your washer tank with summer fluid.